Hi friends, I am Jitu Mishra, a co-founder of Sarna Education and Cultural Services, Bhubaneswar. Welcome to yet another episode of Sarna Stories of Odisha channel. Today I want to take you to some tribal weekly markets in western part of Odisha, southwestern part of Odisha, and where the local communities, mostly the tribal communities, they come together and buy and sell their agro produces, sheep, goats, cattle, chicken, and varieties of the household objects. And these are very fascinating, these huts, these village markets which we are going to see today have very interesting characters.
এটা କୋଉ କୁକୁଡ଼ା ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଇଟା କୋଉ ଗାଁରୁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ବଠେଲା ଏଇଟା ବିକିବାର ଲାଗି ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ ସୋମବାର ଦିନ ଆଚ୍ଛା ବହୁତ ବଡ଼ ହାଟ ହୁଏ ଏଇଠି ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଚ୍ଛା ଏଇଟା କିଏ ମାନେ କିଣନ୍ତି ଏଇଟା କୋଉମାନେ କିଣନ୍ତି ଏଇଟା ଗାଁ ଲୋକ କା କିଣନ୍ତି
Friends, all of us know about village markets, the tribal village markets, which are major features in immersive tourism, especially for foreigners visiting Odisha. And these tribal village markets, the weekly markets, they are more or less centered in the southwestern part of Odisha, which is again the major tribal cluster of this part of India. Friends, market as a central place is a very ancient concept, and though we don't have any established evidences, but it is believed that the origin of this the idea of having a central market or a central space where people could assemble together and exchange their surplus products go back to the prehistoric time, especially Neolithic, Chalcolithic times, in various parts of the world, including northwestern part of India going back to 7,000 years before, and also in the Levant region in present day Jordan and Syria, close to the Mediterranean Sea. So when people started living together in village settlements, so each village was not self-sufficient in all kind of needs. So like for example, one village could master in making pots, another village could master in growing rice, another village could master in products like the animal products, So the excess products were actually brought together to a central place where people could exchange their surplus product, and that is how people were brought together. So over a period of time, these central marketplaces evolved into prosperous mercantile centers and became trade centers, especially those central places which were located on the trade routes and also on strategic locations. They could evolve as prosperous mercantile centers, and this led to the birth of civilizations.
এটা কুহযাଏ ଚମ୍ପାବତୀ। এটা ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ପାଚିଲା ଆମ୍ବର ଚୋପାକୁ ବାହାର କରିକି ଶୁଖେଇକିରି ତାକୁ ଏଇ ଜିନିଷ ହଁ ଏବଂ ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି କଞ୍ଚା ଆମ୍ବ ଯାହାକୁ ଆମ୍ବୁଲ କୁହାଯାଏ।
So in Odisha, which is a tribal dominant area, and most part of southwestern Odisha where the traditional markets, the village weekly markets are held, are inaccessible. So now of course there is a good road connectivity, even railways are also there, but in the past, in the historical time, so even few decades back, these were totally inaccessible. So these village markets, we do not know how and when they evolved, but considering the practices, and the history of the tribal communities, it is believed that they also have a very long history, and probably as old as the human colonies originated here. Friends, I am in a local hut in Kalahandi. While going to Wamal Rampur from Guwahati, we have reached to this village, and this is on the way. And you can see, the local food resources, how these are sold. This is fish, dried small fish. And Kalahandi is a landlocked area, and you will not find much of seafood here. But you can see, you get lot of freshwater fish, and they are available in the local ponds, reservoirs, rivers. So these are dried up and sold in the local market to the villagers. So this is very interesting. So this is you can see this. This is actually, it's called kardi in the local language. This is from bamboo shoot, and this is a local delicacy in Kalahandi and in Western Odisha. So this is also sold here. So the idea of market, when we talk about, is not just a place to buy and sell commodities. It's a place where the ideas are exchanged, and it's also the place where communications are made. Today we are in a village called Gandarla, which is located very close to Khariyar, and we are on our way from Bhawanipatna to Khariyar. So you can see, the market, the traditional market, which is held on every Monday. So many, the local villagers have come together here, and this is a place where the sheep and goats are being sold.
କୋଉଠୁ ଗାଁରୁ ଆଣିଛନ୍ତି ଏଟା? ବିକିବା ପାଇଁ ଆଣିଛନ୍ତି ନିଜର ଏଟା? କୋଉଠୁ ଆଣିଛନ୍ତି କୋଉ ଗାଁରୁ? ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଚ୍ଛା ସବୁ ସୋମବାର ଏଠି ପଡ଼େ କି? ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆପଣମାନେ କୋଉ ଜାତିର ସମସ୍ତେ?
ସବୁ ଜାତି ଅଛନ୍
ସବୁ ଜାତିର ଲୋକ ଅଛନ୍ତି? ହାଁ
କହିଦିଅ ଜାତି ବଜାର ଅଛନ୍ତି କେତେ ଜାତି
ସବୁ ଜାତିର ତ ଏଇଟା ନେଇକି କ'ଣ ମାନେ ଏଇଟା କ୍ଷୀର ପିଆଯାଏ ନା ମରାଯାଏ ଏଇଟା ଖାଇବା ପାଇଁ ଖାସି ମାଂସ ଖାଇବା ପାଇଁ? ପୋଷବାର ଲାଗି
ପାଲିବାର ଲାଗି ନଉଛନ୍ ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଚ୍ଛା ପାଳିବାର ଲାଗି ବି ନେଉଛନ୍ତି?
ଛୋଟ ସେ ପାଲବା ଲାଗି ନଉଛନ୍ ସାର୍
ହାଁ
ଛୋଟ ସେ ପାଲବା ଲାଗି ନଉଛନ୍
ପାଳିବାର ଲାଗି ନେଉଛନ୍ତି?
ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟଟା ପାଲବାର ଲାଗି ନଉଛନ୍ ବଡ଼ଟା କାଟବାର ଲାଗି ନଉଛନ୍
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଛୋଟଟା ପାଳିବାର ଲାଗି ନେଉଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ବଡ଼ଟା କାଟିବାର ଲାଗି ନେଉଛନ୍ତି?
ଯାହାର ବିହା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଅଛି
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଚ୍ଛା ବାହାଘର ଫାହାଘର ପାଇଁ?
ଭାଇ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ ତ ମାଂସ ସବୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା because in earlier time there was no media, so there was no newspapers, there were no internets, there were no televisions. So in the absence of these modern technology based communication means, so when people would assemble at a central place, so they would also exchange news. In somebody's village, some mishaps had happened, for example somebody had died, and some people had died out of diseases, or some marriage ceremonies in somebody's house had happened. All kind of news what are there in day to day life. So these news are actually sourced and communicated at central marketplaces, and these places were not just for the even exchange of news or exchange of ideas. And when people come together, and it also in some cases what happened, like the marriages are also fixed here, and people get jobs, they get opportunities through communications. So all kind of things related to rural India happen at the central marketplace. So these play a very important role in the socio-cultural economic life of tribal communities in southwestern part of Odisha. And if we visit these markets, what fascinates us is the range of agro products we see here. Mostly the grams, the pulses, the cereals, rice, millet, and various kinds of wild fruits like mushroom and bamboo shoots, and then the processed food like made out of fruits like mango pickles or ambo soda. So these kind of things, these kind of objects are sold here. People buy, people sell, and besides that, these places are also where you get traditional crafts, not crafts, but the crafts we can say, but they are also used in day-to-day life, and then clothes, and then you have cattle, sheep, goat, and so various kind chicken. So these are also available here. And then there are places where small eating joints are also there, where people come and then relax, they exchange ideas, they do gossip. So this all happens in the village markets. So these are very fascinating draws, and if you visit them, what you find fascinating is that you learn so much about the rural life and the diversity of agricultural practices, the traditional agricultural practices, the innovations happening in rural India,
and how the life is changing.